probably a little bit hard to see because it's 3:30 in the morning, and Todd and myself, we're gonna go, is there light there? We're gonna go to an island by jet ski. So it's a bit dark now, I won't show you that, but hopefully the light breaks out and then I'll show you a little bit more. Oh, and another note, as I've got all the quads and my remote and goggles, all that sort of shit, it's all individually wrapped with garbage bags and chucked in the bag there with the little scooty thing over the top of it, and then that should stop all the salt water from blowing my set up. All right, let's get to it.
Nick minute.
So yeah, it's going quite well this morning. We're beached, bro. Hit a sandbar, and Todd's trying to find the shallow. I'm gonna get it out of the water because it's sketchy. Oh, you fuck. I'm gonna get back in, get my glasses. Not that shallow here, Toddith.
We'll see.
Hopefully we can get off this. Thank you.
We'll see.
It's up to my dick, man. Yes, please. Ugh, fucking. Woo! Hey! Yeah, there's beach here, land. I found land, Captain. I found the land.
I cannot go no more.
Hey, you cannot do no more. But we found the land, and it's right where I thought it would be, Captain. Well, pirates don't sound fucking Scottish. Garr, I was doing it all wrong. Hey, I'm a Scottish pirate. Come on, buzzer.
Grumpy Todd's tired.
Grumpy Todd.
Fast.
How is it?
Fast.
How's it feel?
Oh,
Oh,
it's fucking fast.
jet ski, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Would you get one?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. We're walking over there, and it's hard because it's sand. Wilson! Wilson! Toddith having a fly. This is his first flight of an alien kiss. No, it's not kiss. Betaflight alien with some rotor-right motors on there. So pretty cool.
3 minutes.
I need to go get the jet ski before we get beached again. It's really cannot be fucked staying here all day until the tide comes back in. So let's get our shit together, mate.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it! One thing we didn't bring is mosquito and midgie repellent, and
Big fucking mistake.
they're everywhere here. Like, it feels like someone's got a pin and they're just pricking your leg with it every second.
1,000 times.
10,000 times. This is the part I hate the most, because I hate water. Oh, it feels good though on the midge. Whoa! Way!
Go slow now.
She's thick. Oh, he's so demanding. You want me to lift in the mud?
Yeah.
Because it just makes me sink.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. That's as much as I can lift, man. So I was lifting, you weren't even pulling.
No.
Oh!
When I go backwards, I pull over.
Don't go backwards then. This is the second time we've done this, so yeah, we're on a good...
Trying to save on fuel.
Yeah, he's trying to just... Basically, we just paddled the jet ski here. It's just an expensive kayak. Come on. We stopped here for like a quick little session, but there's all these, well, you see it in the GoPro footage. Trees with scraggle everywhere, and kind of hit one, and I thought it's probably not worth losing my chameleon in the water there, and so yeah, we're gonna hit it home now, me and Mr. Full Throttle, or Full Throttle and myself. So thank you guys for watching. Like always, if you liked what you've seen, leave a like, leave a sub, and leave a comment in the comment section below if you want to. I don't care if you don't. It means I don't have to reply to it, you know. He's got one. What you got there? How'd it feel, mate? How'd it feel? Hey, big sandbag.
Oh, fucking bag.
Don't you hate it when you realise your wallet, your fucking phone's in your pocket?
Oh shit.
Take me to the 7th seas. I shall say we name this land the Ovaflo land of Full Throttle, where most people cannot get to by land walking or by horse mammal.